Hi everyone, this is CNA Gupta. I welcome you all on this channel. I hope you all are doing fine and safe. So today the topic we are going to discuss is very recent and a very common topic. So these days many people who have filed their returns earlier for the assessment year 21-22 in the cases of refund are getting these kind of SMS or email, and that is response to confirm or revise claim of refund for assessment year 21-22. Well, first of all, don't panic about it. It is not a notice, it has nothing to do with this scrutiny, it is just a response that you need to submit. So now, first of all, let's understand that why you're getting such kind of SMS or emails. And then by the use of screen, we're going to understand that what you have to do if you have received this kind of SMS or email. वीडियो में आगे बढ़ने से पहले इंश्योर कर ले कि आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दिया, बेल नोटिफिकेशन को भी प्रेस कर दिया है. So first of all, let's understand that why there is a case of the refund. So let's take few examples and understand few cases. There are obviously many cases where in the case of refund, but let's understand few cases. First of all, the basic rule is you have to pay your 100% taxes before the 31st March of the relevant assessment year. So now in this case, let's say in this particular year we have to pay our 100% taxes by the 31st March 2022. But anyhow I deposit the advance tax on the higher side. In that case my refund will be due. Now at the time of filing of ITR I can claim that refund. Now let's take the second case. Your employer deduct your more TDS because you have not provided your section 80C or 80D or the chapter 6-8 documents. In that case again your refund is due because later on when you're filing your ITR you have the documents, that's why you're claiming your refund. So first of all, this system is automatic. The system that's sending you this kind of SMS or email is a kind of robot or the artificial intelligence by which this kind of communication is generating. So they are sending you this kind of email where they are mentioning that it is a kind of incorrect refund. So that's why you need to reconfirm. So what they are thinking, the chances are there a person has miscalculated their refund. So now they are giving actually chance that go and revise your ITR and actually reclaim your refund. So this is the first case. Second thing is, if you intentionally omitted the acts or the actual finding, let's say you have 80,000 refund but intentionally you claim the refund of rupees 1,50,000 by giving fake documents or something, by providing fake details, because at the time of filing of ITR you don't need to provide the documents but you have to provide the details. At that time we have provided fake details. So then in that case also you're getting one chance to revise your ITR and claim actual refund. Don't think that if you're doing right now it can attract the notice. It may or may not be attract the notice, but if you're not going to do it and department is going to find out that this is an incorrect claim, in that case you will be penalized. So better use this opportunity and revise your ITR if this is the case of the incorrect claim. But if this is the case of the actual claim, then you have to follow this process that I'm going to do it by the use of the screen. So now let's start. First of all, what you have to do is you have to open the income tax website. So you have the address of the income tax website, then you have to click on login. After that you have to provide the user ID. So now you have to provide the password. You have to click on please confirm your secure access message, then continue. Then you have to go in the pending action. Now you have to go the work list, and in the work list you can see that there is this detail. So you have to submit your response for refund. Now if your response, you have to click on this submit response tab. After that you can see there are two options. One is the claim of refund is correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. Second is return of income is being revised wherein correct claim of refund shall be made. So there's a point, if you want to select the second option, then first of all you have to revise your return, then only come and select this option. Otherwise If you are going to select this option and you are not revising your return, chances are very high you're going to get the notice. So better to avoid this practice. So now you may be thinking that it's like, if I'm getting this response, I did any mistake or something. So no, this is not the case. So this first thing is very much clear. This is not the case that you have made some error or something. You have to find it out that if there's any error, or this is just a normal message that you have to comply, you have to communicate. Otherwise your refund will not be processed until unless you're not going to do this step. So now this is actually a second thing, that if your refund is on hold till date, then go and do this step. Check your pending action if you have received this kind of intimation or this kind of communication, because chances are very high that you have not received email or SMS, but you have received this kind of intimation or the communication. So go and check your pending action tab. Still, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to help you and I would try to take all the queries. I understand that this is a very recent and common issues that many people are facing. So I would try to take as many as queries as possible. So let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.